Hey everyone, this is Isaac and welcome back to another Photoshop tutorial. In this video I'm going to teach you everything you need to know about the selection tools in Photoshop. Let's get started. Your selection tools are located in the toolbar on the left side of your screen. The first one we will look at is the marquee tools. You have four types of marquee tools: the rectangular marquee tool, the elliptical marquee tool, single row marquee tool, and single column marquee tool. Let's go with the rectangle first. Up here you have all the settings for your tool, but before we go over all the settings, let me show you what the tool does. If you drag your mouse on the screen, it creates a rectangular selection, which means if I want to do something to the image, it will only apply in the selection. So let's go over the settings now. Here is the default setting of the selection tool. This means that you can only make one selection at a time. If you press this setting, that means you can create multiple selections at the same time. And pressing this setting allows you to remove parts of the selection. Clicking this allows you to create a selection of your selection, meaning if this is my selection and I only want to choose this part, all I gotta do is do this, and only this part will stay. And the next thing we can do is choose if we want to feather our selection. This will just smooth out the edges of our selection. Then we can choose the style of our selection. We have normal, fixed ratio, which means all of the selections we make will be in a fixed ratio. If I put the ratio to 2 and 5, every selection I make will be in that ratio. And you can also choose a fixed size. These settings stay the same for all of the future tools. The next tool we have is the elliptical marquee tool, which allows us to make circular selections. And as you can see, the settings stay the same. Then we have the single row and single column marquee tools, which, as the title suggests, creates a selection of a single row or a single column. The next set of tools we have is the lasso tools. The lasso tool allows you to make a more freehand selection. If you want to invert your selections, what you're going to do is right-click and select Select Inverse. If you want to create a mask of your selections, again right-click, select a mask. We have four types of lasso tools. The next one we have is the selection brush tool, which will create a selection of anything you decide to draw. You have the option to add and subtract, and to choose the size and hardness of your brush. And you can also choose the opacity of your brush. The next tool we have is the polygonal lasso tool, which, just like the lasso tool, allows you to create freehand selections, but this time with polygons, meaning instead of drawing, you click on it just like using the pen tool. The next tool we have is the magnetic lasso tool. Once I click on the screen, the magnetic lasso tool will just follow my cursor and make automatic selections. The next set of tools we have are the quick selection tools. The first one we have is the object selection tool, which detects any object on the screen. We have the quick selection tool, which allows us to draw on the screen and create selections depending on the colors and patterns of our image. We can choose the size, hardness, and spacing. The last tool we have is the magic wand tool, which, just like the last tool, detects patterns and colors, and what you just gotta do is click on the part of the image you want to select. And that's it for this video. If you found this video useful, subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Check the description below for the links of all my socials, and if you have any questions or future video requests, leave them down in the comments below.